Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson is how to make borders based on page 52 of your book, 100 Computer Activities. Okay, so let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. Then you type there enrollment form. Then type the following: name, address, birthday, contact number, father's name, work, father's name, work, and then grade level. After that, you highlight two columns, including all the things that you have typed, and click button border and click all borders. Okay, that's how you make the borders. Very easy. Now expand or widen the columns. Okay, and you are done. That's all. How to make borders. The first lesson in your computer studies in grade 5. And your output applying the lesson is the enrollment form. Okay, that's all.